Ever wondered where you can find the most amazing geothermal wonders on Earth? Today we're diving into Iceland's natural treasures and why these hot springs and geothermal spas are way more than just cool places to visit. We'll uncover the mind-blowing geology of Reykjanes and spill the secrets of the Blue Lagoon's healing waters. Also, we'll give you a tour to this amazing spa in Iceland that shows off the best of what nature can do. I've been here several times and I will show you why this place is my ultimate hot spring heaven. This is Discover Globe Today. Let's explore Iceland together. Now you must be wondering why I said this is the ultimate hot springs heaven. Iceland, it's called the land of fire and ice. It's famous for all those natural wonders, especially the geothermal stuff. Basically, it's because Iceland sits right on top of where the Eurasian and North American plates meet, on the mid-Atlantic ridge. One of the coolest spots to check out these geothermal wonders is the Reykjanes Peninsula down in southwest Iceland. Loads of hot springs there, showing off Earth's power in full swing. You gotta hit up Gunnover Hot Springs when you're there. They've got these mud pools bubbling away and steam vents puffing out. And don't miss the Reykjanes Viti Lighthouse and Carlin Rock nearby, surrounded by all these hot springs. Perfect for snapping some epic pics. And hey, if you're talking about Iceland's geothermal scene, you cannot forget the Blue Lagoon. It's like this famous spa near Grindavik with these crazy milky blue waters full of silica and minerals, all thanks to a geothermal power plant nearby. Whether you're after chill vibes, adventure, or just want to geek out on Iceland's natural wonders, the Reykjanes Peninsula and the Blue Lagoon will blow your mind. And do you know what contributes to making Iceland the ultimate hot spring heaven? It's the Reykjanes Peninsula. The Reykjanes Peninsula is like this awesome geological hotspot right on the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the North American and Eurasian plates are doing their slow dance of separation. It's like a textbook example of plate tectonics and volcanic action in action. So this place sits smack on the mid-Atlantic ridge, where these plates are pulling apart. That creates these rift valleys where molten rock from deep inside the earth rises up, cools down, and forms new ocean floor. Pretty wild, right? It's like a natural lab for studying how our planet's surface evolves. The Reykjanes Peninsula isn't just about geology though. It's part of this big Reykjanes volcanic belt that's been active forever. You've got volcanic craters, cracks in the ground, and lava fields all over, showing off how active this place really is. There have been some big eruptions lately, like the one at Fagradalsfjall in 2021 that drew crowds from everywhere. And don't forget the geothermal scene here. They've got plants using Earth's heat to make power, like the Svartsengi plant. It's a cool example of how they're tapping into renewable energy. But what really makes Reykjanes special are those hot springs. Picture this, groundwater getting heated up by magma or hot rocks deep underground. Then it shoots up to the surface as these hot springs, sometimes leaving behind these cool mineral deposits. The most famous of these springs has to be the Blue Lagoon. You've probably seen pics of it. It's the spa with those milky blue waters that are loaded with silica and other good stuff. People swear it's like a natural health boost. So whether you're into rocks, volcanoes, or just chilling in a hot spring, Reykjanes Peninsula is where it's at. Nature's really showing off here. The Reykjanes Peninsula is like this geothermal playground, full of sorts of hot springs and other crazy stuff that really show off nature's power. You've got bubbling mud pools, steamy vents, hissing fumaroles, and even a few geysers sprinkled across its rugged landscape. Check out these different geothermal features. Mud pools. Imagine these thick, gooey mud pools bubbling away. The Sultan geothermal area is famous for these mud pots where you can see the mud gurgling and spitting out steam. Fumaroles. These are like these vents in the Earth's crust that shoot out hot gases, like steam and sulfur dioxide. The Tthe geothermal area is known for its crazy fumaroles where you can literally feel the earth breathing. Steaming vents. Picture cracks in the ground letting out hot steam. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. The Tthe hot springs are a big draw here, with this massive vent that's always hissing and roaring, reminding you of the huge power underneath. Geysers. They're not as big as the ones you might see elsewhere in Iceland, but Reykjanes has a few, like the Sultan Geyser that shoots up hot water and steam into the air every so often. So yeah, if you're into seeing nature's craziest sides, mud that boils, vents that hiss, and geysers that erupt, the Reykjanes Peninsula is where you need to be. It's like a whole other world out there. These natural wonders mean a lot to Icelanders. Hot springs have been used here for ages, for everything from bathing and cooking to heating homes. Nowadays, they're also big draws for tourists wanting a taste of Iceland's stunning geothermal landscapes. People come here for all sorts of fun activities like hiking, taking pics, and if they're lucky, soaking in hot springs. It's a way to really get into the heart of Reykjanes Peninsula's natural beauty. Check out these hot spots. Tthe Hot Springs. This place is wild. There's the massive steaming vent that just rumbles and roars. It's like watching nature's power in action. And all around, you've got mud pools bubbling, steam vents hissing, and these vibrant mineral deposits that make it a must-see. Sultan Geothermal Area. It's like stepping into another world here. Mud pots bubble away, vents shoot up steam, and there's even a geyser that puts on a show now and then. You can walk around on these wooden paths and really soak in the surreal scenery up close. Tthe Geothermal Area. This place is all about those crazy fumaroles and steaming vents. You can literally feel the Earth's breath here. It's like standing on the edge of something powerful. And the colors from all those minerals, unreal. So whether you're up for exploring, taking cool pics, or just chilling in a hot spring, the Reykjanes Peninsula has it all. It's Iceland at its most awe-inspiring. Now let me show the Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon is like this amazing spa in Iceland that shows off the best of what nature can do. It's become a total hit with travelers worldwide because of its cool setup, healing powers, and just plain stunning beauty. So get this, it all started by accident back in 1976 when extra water from Svartsengi geothermal plant flowed into a lava field nearby. Next thing you know, boom, you've got this strikingly blue pool. That color? It's all thanks to silica and other minerals hanging out in the water. And it's like the perfect temp too. Between 37 degrees Celsius and 39 degrees Celsius. Just right for chilling out and feeling refreshed. But what really gets people talking are the benefits. The water's packed with silica, algae, and all these good minerals that are super good for your skin. People swear by it for soothing things like psoriasis and eczema. Plus, it just makes your skin feel amazing. And hey, they're big on being green too. They actually use leftover heat and water from that Svartsengi plant, which cuts down on waste and keeps things eco-friendly. They're all about keeping the lagoon and its surroundings in tip-top shape for future visitors. The Blue Lagoon isn't just popular, it's like famous. Millions come to check it out every year, and National Geographic even called it one of the 25 wonders of the world. It's not just a place to relax, it's a big part of what makes Iceland so special, showing off its natural beauty and geothermal mojo. If you're into unique experiences that'll leave you feeling refreshed and all zen, this is the spot. Ready for more adventure and inspiration? Click on the next video to discover the top 10 countries offering the best quality of life. Learn what makes these countries the perfect places to live, work, and explore. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep finding your ultimate heaven. Take care out there!